Today, we're delving into the intricate world of macro photography with the digital NC+10 close-up lens designed for Nikon, Canon, Sony, Panasonic, Fujifilm, Pentax, and Olympus DSLRs, specifically those with a 62mm lens diameter. This high-definition 2-element close-up lens boasts a beveled design, delivering stunning clarity and detail in your macro shots. The lens features high-index low-dispersion optical glass, ensuring top-notch image quality. Fully multi-coated and threaded, it minimizes reflections and enhances light transmission for crisp, vibrant photos. One standout feature is the anti-reflection coating, which significantly reduces glare and ghosting, crucial for capturing intricate details. The high-speed autofocus ensures you won't miss those fleeting moments, and it's infrared compatible for versatile shooting options. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just exploring the world of macro photography, the digital NC+10 close-up lens at 62mm is a reliable choice. Stay tuned as we put this lens to the test, exploring its capabilities in various shooting scenarios. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.